Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can integrate your Monday.com with Google Sheets. It is very simple, but it is not directly possible within Monday.com. So as you guys already know, there is an integrate and automate option in Monday.com, but unfortunately it doesn't support Google Sheets. So if you want to connect Monday.com with Google Sheets, you have to use a third-party app like Zapier. Now I really recommend Zapier because first of all it's free. It gives you a free plan in which you can use 100 tasks and it gets renewed every month. And secondly, it is the most easiest and well structured automation software. So open your Zapier account. If you don't know how to open a Zapier account, you can check out some other tutorial, but in this one we're just going to cover how to connect Google Sheets. So open your Zapier, go into apps, and make sure that Google Sheets and Monday.com are connected under apps. If you don't see Google Sheets or Monday.com or both under apps, you have to first connect them. You can connect them very easily by pressing add connection button and then searching for Monday, and then press monday.com and it'll give you the instructions to connect Monday, and then you can do the same to connect Google Sheets. Once these two apps are connected, just go to your home or press this create button. Alright guys, just press this create button and then select Zaps, because Zap is basically the automation. So we just have to press Zaps and it will open up a new window in which we can set up the automation. As you can see, it has a AI feature that can automatically generate the Zap for you, but it is very simple to do so, so I'm just going to teach you manually. All you have to do is to press on trigger, and then if you want to send data from monday.com to Google Sheets, you have to select monday.com in trigger. And if you want to send data from Google Sheets into monday.com, you have to select Google Sheets as trigger. So for this tutorial, let me select monday.com as trigger, as I want to send data from Monday to Google Sheets. Select this as trigger, and then in event you can choose any event, like if a new board is created, do this thing in in Google Sheets. If a new user is created, do this thing in Google Sheets, or send the user to Google Sheets. If a value is changed in monday.com, change the value in Google Sheets or whatever. For this, let me create a new board. So this automation runs whenever a new board is created in monday.com. Press continue and then press test. So you just have to press this test trigger button and it will check if there are any boards in your account. As you can see, I have a board. Press continue with selected record. Now here you have to search for the app in which you want to send the data. In my case it is Google Sheets, because I want to send the data to Google Sheets. In the event, select what should happen. What should happen when a new board is created in monday.com? What should happen in Google Sheets? You have to select that. Like, you can create a new spreadsheet row, you can delete a spreadsheet row, you can update a row, but basically most of the time all you have to do is to create a spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. Press continue, press continue. Under action you have to just miss this option drive. It isn't very useful, you don't have to use it. um, Make sure that required options are filled. The other ones are just optional, so you can leave them. Here you have to select the spreadsheet in which you want to send the data to, then the worksheet in which the data needs to be sent, and then uh, here you get all the columns of your worksheet. So in columns you can add data, like that I want to add the name of my data in name, and then press continue, and then press test step, and it will send a row to Google Sheets. As you can see, it has sent a spreadsheet route to Google Sheets, and now you can publish it. And once you publish it, your automation will start working. So now whenever there is a new board in monday.com, an automatic spreadsheet row will be created in my Google Sheets. So this is how you connect Google Sheets with monday.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.